Good morning, everybody. This is Perfect Storm Trading. It is Monday, March 29th, 2021, 5:54 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Just a real quick video today. I want to give you a trend recap from early March and a trend forecast going into April. What you see on the screen is our Astro Excel indicator, the green line, large planet indicator only. You can see I marked the chart with the blue trend lines from early March. March 8th, we traded up. Our forecast was for a market high on the 19th. The high was a day early on the 18th. We started trekking down. Our downtrend was projected to end on the 24th of March with the green line. It went down to the 25th. The reason for this variation in the day is because there are certain price objectives that have to be met, and they were both, the high was met a day early, the low was met a day late. That's why we're a day off with those forecasts. So we look for those prices in tandem with the projection. Now, looking forward, over the weekend, you can see we have started to trek down with the green line. We're looking for a downward move to the 6th. We're going to bounce up until April 8, 9, and then we're heading down, and this downtrend goes to about the 20th. I'll update this again next week, and we'll see where we are with this. But this will give you an idea of what's coming over the coming week. So thanks for watching, and we'll be back with another video tomorrow.